Hi, it's MOTOROLA and today I'll show you the ultra-wide camera tips on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So first open Camera, find More and Panorama. Then tap the capture button and move the phone in one direction. So position your phone, click the capture button and move your phone to the right or to the left, and when you're done just hit the capture button again and you see the wide photo. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.